Hey everybody, it's Street Auto Plaza in Mount Carmel, Illinois. Today we're looking at a 2018 Kia Stinger Gt2 all-wheel drive. It does have that 3.3 liter V6 twin turbo. That thing's stock at 365 horsepower. Now, this thing's been tuned, cold air intake, pop-off valves, you name it. This thing is nasty fast and I love it. It's got an automatic 8-speed transmission. It's all loaded up. The 5-drive modes, Brembo brakes, heads-up display, lane departure, basically any type of lane departure type of thing you could have in here. It actually has it, high beam assist, etc., etc. Clean CARFAX. We're going to take you on a virtual tour, show you all the imperfections of the vehicle. Starting with the front end of this car, we're going to have some rock chips, especially down here at the bottom. Not horrible. Lights are in good shape. There's a few more down here. Other than that, pretty good shape. Get out of the sunlight here. There's a few rock chips up in here. Over there. There's one here, one here, one here. There's a couple little smaller ones up in here, but I don't know if you guys can see it through the video. We're going to work our way down the driver's side first. We do have a small scratch right here, and we have a nick right there. Front fender, nothing to note. This thing's got brand new tires all the way around it. They're 225 40R 19s. Again, new tires all the way around it. Do have a little curb rash right here on this rim. Brembo brakes. Handling, everything on this car. This car is just fun. Nothing to note on the front door, nothing to note on the rear door. Ground effects on the bottom, nothing to note on that. Actually, this door right here does have a little chip in it. Rear quarter, nothing to note there. Rim, excellent condition. Brembo brakes. Like I say, guys, brand new tires on this thing. Coming around the back end of this thing, we do have a light little scratch right here, and a light one in here. The back tent has bubbled. Rear deck lid, nothing to note. Again, this is an all-wheel drive GT. We do have a small scratch in the bumper cover here and here. Passenger rear quarter, nothing to note up there at all. Actually, there's a little rock chip right here. This rim's excellent condition. Again, new tires. You have a little rock chip right here in the passenger rear door, but nothing else. Yeah, there's a little rock chip down here. Passenger front door. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a very, very small ding. There's a little rock chip right here, but you probably can't see it in the video. We try to note everything on these cars. They're not perfect. They are used cars, but we don't want to waste your time coming and driving far away, etc. This rim right here does have a nick out of it, but there is no vibration or anything like that. It is not bent or anything like that. Like I said, it does drive out really nice. If you want to get up to from 60 to 100 miles an hour in a hurry, this thing, you barely have to give it any gas. Alright, passenger front door, nothing to note. Oh, the front seats, excellent condition. They are power and everything does work. Rubber mats, Stinger. You do have the books. I think there's a bunch of stuff in here. You have to go through it, but it's all the stuff that he's added on to it. It's about $6,000 to $7,000 of add-ons, bolt-ons. I'm not exactly sure what it all is. Dash is intact. Rear doors in excellent condition. Childproof locks located here. Back seats excellent condition. They do fold down, so you can have a whole hatch area. These cars are bigger than you think, and they handle like a sports car for sure. It's got an amazing stereo system in it. Power rear deck lid. Sure, jack, everything located here. Your tire, Your battery is located underneath this thing. Like I said, guys, bolt those both down. Alright, driver's side, rear door skin, excellent condition. Childproof lock located here. So the seats, excellent condition. Driver's front door skin, good condition. Only thing to note is this right here is pulled out, and I think just the screws are missing. I always pull it from here, but you can pull it from here, but just note that that is not attached right there. I always pull from here. Driver's front seat, excellent condition, nothing to note. Power, memory, etc. Like I said, guys, this thing is loaded. In and out, everything works as it should. I've been driving this car on and off here for a little while. I love it, absolutely love it. All right, guys, we got 143. I don't know if you guys can even see it. It's the sun. 143,917 on the miles. I'm gonna go ahead and start this thing up. Sorry if there's a glare on this thing. It is cold out. All right, guys, no check engine lights, anything of the sorts. It drives out great. Love it. Absolutely love this car. 143,917 on the miles. We're gonna do a quick rev test. There's your RPMs. Good throttle response. It does have pop-off valves. Like I said, guys, really fun car. Mode system. I don't know how you get to it. I forgot. Oh, drive mode. Here we go. Here's your mode system. That's where you can turn it from comfort, sport, and custom. I always have it on custom. This thing drives, I mean, good. Really, somebody's added some definite power to this thing. It's definitely not stock. Coming down here, you got your illumination. Here's your, you can see your drive assist right there. And this thing will, you can let your hands off the wheel and it'll come and follow the road and put you back on the road. Here's lane departure. Fuel, rear hatch down here. I don't know if the sun's getting to that. There we go. Auto folding mirrors. All the mirrors work as they should. Like I said, power folding mirrors. Those are all auto windows. That would work, so I just don't want to roll it down. Just a piece of paper on it. Very cool steering wheel. It's a GT steering wheel. Cruise control right there. You can see everything works. Like I said, here's your. Put this in the there. Here's your backup camera. Like I said, this thing does have an amazing stereo system in it. Amazing stereo system. The key fob, you can see this real quick. Dual climate control, of course. Navigation. Loaded up, like I said, guys. Really nice. It's your auto hold, traction control, heated and cooled seats, which work awesome. There's your cooled seats. There's your heated seats. Heated steering wheel. I honestly don't know what this is. I forgot what it was. Oh, this is, I would definitely keep this one on or off. This will shut the car off. If you come to a stoplight, the car will shut off. Definitely keep that off. Make sure the car stays running. Down here you got an auxiliary USB, 12 volt USB down on that side. I'm sure I'm missing some things. Sunroof. All works as it should. Here's your power slider. Really sweet car. Alright guys, I'm sure I've missed some stuff. I'm sorry if I did. This thing's loaded. You can go on the CARFAX, and I think it says it'll bring up the window sticker when it was originally bought. I think this thing cost $51,000 original. So, let's see. Here's your tuner up in here. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's plugged in. Here, OBD. And then we have something else up here, which I'm not sure what it is. Got your IMR cold air intakes on both sides. And then down here, got a JB4 protection kit. Pop-off valves. So guys, the same got pop-off valves, all everything else. It runs extremely well. Really cool car. Like I said, guys, really cool car. It's got the night lights on it. It's got automatic headlights, automatic windshield wipers. You name it, it's got it. Alright guys, let's do a little recap. This is an 2018 Kia Stinger Gt2 all-wheel drive. It's a 3.3 liter V6 twin turbo stock. It's 365, so I couldn't tell you what it is now. Probably 420, somewhere around there, I would guess, or maybe more. Automatic 8-speed transmission, loaded up 5 drive modes, Brembo brakes, heads-up display, lane departure, lane assist, high beam assist, etc. Clean CARFAX. I think I got this out of Texas, so you can check out the CARFAX. Got any more questions for me, give me a call at 618-450-2600, or you can get us on the web at streetautoplaza.com. You can see the CARFAX in this video. If you have any more questions, like I said, give us a call. Hope this helped your buying experience, and you guys have a wonderful day.